What's up, banana fan? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lena, and today I'm going to be attempting to make an advent calendar. It's going to look a little different than like how most like candy advent calendars are. So what you'll need is a candy of your choice. It has to be individually wrapped and it has to have at least 25 pieces. And you can choose different candies. I just chose one type of candy because I don't have the money to go spend like $7 on different types of candy. You can always go to the dollar store, but my dollar store was like packed. You'll need a glue stick or stapler, scissors, and then some paper colored of your choice. I just chose red and green. So what you're gonna wanna do, first I wanna try it and see. I can never open these bags right. I gotta make sure I have at least 25 or this whole thing could be messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ah, they gave me an empty wrapper. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so I have about this much left over and a stupid empty wrapper. So I'm kind of winging this. I don't really know how this is gonna work, but we are gonna try our best and hope for the best. So first, what you're gonna want to do is get your paper, and then you're gonna just want to cut thin, long strips of it. Not this way, but this way. I mean, I guess you could do it the other way, and you're gonna want to make 25 of these, and you'll see why. And I'll be back once I've done that because that's gonna take me forever. Okay guys, so I cut red and green ones up, and I have more green than red, but it's okay. So now, I haven't done this since like first grade, but it's okay. You want to, I think I'm gonna do green, red, green, or something like that. Get one side of your paper, and you're gonna wanna put some glue on it, or if you wanna staple it, staple it. I recommend stapling it. It'd be a lot easier and faster. Okay, and then you wanna get your other color, or if you just chose one color, then just do your one. It's not staying glued for some reason. Maybe I didn't put enough glue. Again, like I said, I recommend just stapling it. I'm probably gonna go grab my stapler, but if you don't have a stapler, glue should work. But I'm just impatient and don't want it to keep uncoming. So I'm gonna go get my stapler and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I got the stapler. So you would do the same thing just with the stapler or with a hot glue gun. So I'm just stapling it like a loop. And then you get your other one, and then you just keep doing that. And it's quite easy. Then you don't have to pay a lot more money for one. And you could do it without candy if you don't want like the kids to have candy, and then they could just like cut them off every day until Christmas. Or what I'm gonna start doing, since I didn't think of it, wait, which way would I do that? Okay, so for the first one you do, that's why having like individually wrapped candies better. You just want to get the like little tail part of the candy, like little tail part of the candy, and try not to staple your finger to it. And just staple it on there. And then for ones that are like inner, you just put it on a side that like isn't getting stapled to the next one, or you can do it to where it is being stapled to the next one. It just might be more confusing which ones to grab and cut, but it's totally up to you. So I'll be back once I've done some more of this, or once I've finished it, because This is gonna take me a while because it's me. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished it. I did forget to say the only thing I bought was the candies, which they're like $1.69 at Safeway, but like I said, you can get those cheaper. And you don't have to use construction paper, you can use normal paper. I just wanted to make it look festive, and I just wanted to do it to where it's more affordable, because advent calendars range from like $5 to $15, and we need to save all the money we can on gifts. And if you didn't decide to do candy, you can always number the paper, or you can even number the papers. You can also number the papers when there is candy. This is how mine looks, and I thought it looked really cool because it kind of looks like light bulbs on like this, you know what I mean? And I did run out of red, so then it just went green, green, green. And you can like hang it on a wall, turn it into a wreath, really do anything. So I'm gonna actually show you the final product right now. Hey guys, so this is the final product. I have the candies, and then I believe this is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So yeah, that's 20. That's 25. You can totally do the whole month of December, but I just did counting down to Christmas. So I'm going to start at December 1st and take one and cut the rope until Christmas, just to kind of keep my mind off Christmas and just for fun. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the future. Bye!